Hi guys, this is Cinema is the Language. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to review Bhosle, a film by Devashish Makhija. Bhosle is a character study, a deep dive into the rootlessness, loneliness, and seemingly futile existence of an urban poor. An old man who just retires from his post of a police constable due to old age has no option but to live with an insignificant existence in a chawl. We are made to observe the life of this quite ordinary individual with such purity and clarity that is quite rare in our cinema. It's a visual experience that will stay with you even after you have finished watching the movie. Let's take a look at the plot of Bhosle. The opening scene shows us two contrasting images of Bhosle's stripping down of his uniform and Lord Ganesh getting ready for the 10 days of Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Bhosle, having no one and nothing to rely on for the rest of his life, appeals for an extension of his job. So what does a retired police constable do during his day? We see his life with every intricate details. From breakfast to dinner, everything it does, like washing his clothes, making rotis and so on. There is also a political tension going on in this small housing complex where both Marathis and outsiders, mainly Biharis in this case, live. This movie is set in the backdrop of Mumbaikars' hate towards outsiders who, as they think, have come to steal their jobs and ruin their culture. This rage of locals like Vilash, played by Santosh Juvekar, is fueled by local politicians who see this as an opportunity for their political gain. Bhosle, played by Manoj Vajpayee, is an observer who has seen it all and still seeing it, and the hate and the futility of it has made him numb. We very rarely see him actually speak in this movie. It feels like he doesn't have the strength to stand up to anything at this point in his life. But when a Bihari brother and sister, Shita, played by Ipshita Chakraborty, and Lalu, played by Viral Vaibhav, come next door, he somehow as a human being started caring for them. We feel that this solitary old man is starting to feel happy from inside. Just at this point, back-to-back shock brings his and everyone's life to a standstill. The movie takes a sharp turn to a dark place with no coming back. It ends with leaving the audience numb. The movie is brilliant primarily because of the powerful acting by all of its cast. Ipshita Chakraborty and Viral Vaibhav wonderfully portrayed the pair of migrant Bihari siblings. Abhishek Banerjee gets little screen time as Rajendra, also a Bihari who tries to instill Bihari pride as the counterforce of Vilash's Maratha pride. Santosh Juvekar's portrayal of Vilash is just outstanding, and he gives an adequate fight to the ultimate maestro himself, Manoj Vajpayee. I like when an actor completely vanishes in the character they play. Here, you can only see Bhosle and not Manoj Vajpayee. Not a single frame can catch even a little nuance of the real actor. Through the brilliant acting and masterful storytelling, Bhosle explores a few themes that needs to be discussed. Loneliness. We live in an era where we are getting detached from everything and everyone. We are made to live in this way, and it's not that the characters don't want to sit together and share their respective pains, but rather they find themselves incapable of doing it. Identity. This loneliness comes from our inability to understand where do we belong, what our identity is. This inability leads people like Vilash or Rajendra to an identity politics that only leads to violence and nothing else. Old age. You would sometimes find that the pace of the movie is unbearably slow, but this is in sync with how an old man spends his time. To him, doing his daily chores is the only way he can spend his time, the only way he can live. When we are made to watch his daily chores, we find it painful to watch. So you can only imagine how painful it would be for him to go through this. And lastly, it also shows how public affairs can be extremely indifferent to private suffering. The first scene itself hints at this indifference when Bhosle loses his job and preparation for Ganesh Chaturthi begins. Later, in a scene when Bhosle falls ill, Lalu's voice is silenced with the deafening sound of the festival as he was asking for help. Cinematographer Jigmet Wangchuk worked really hard to put Devashish Makhija's minimalistic vision of this world into screen. This is the underbelly of Mumbai, and what we see on screen is not the glitter and glamour we are shown every day. Background score is given by Magnesh Dhakre and he uses silence more often than music. The first background score comes after 45 minutes of the movie, which makes the scene really impactful, and after that his gloomy yet soulful music sets the tone of the movie. In conclusion, I would say Bhosle is a rare combination of social commentary and character study that any movie lover would crave for. But I won't suggest this movie to everyone, just as I won't suggest a Kafka or a Dostoevsky to a person who just started reading literature. To appreciate this movie, you need to appreciate cinema as an art form and not just as a mere medium for entertainment. So, for those who love cinema, please watch Bhosle. We need this type of cinema. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. We shall be back with a new movie soon. Till then, goodbye and take care. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.